This is question 6, part 3 from exercise 1.4 in text and test 4. We have to simplify the following complex fraction. So, we have x minus 1 over x all over 1 plus 1 over x. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the top and bottom separately for a minute and just try to combine them into one fraction to make this easier to deal with. So we're going to start with our numerator, so start on the top. So what we actually have here is x over 1 minus 1 over x. So our lowest common multiple between 1 and x is x. And then on top, we're going to go x divided by 1 is x, so it's going to be x times x. And then x divided by x is just going to be 1, so it's just going to be minus 1, like that. Which means on top, we're going to have x squared minus 1 all over x, like that. Now let's take a look at the bottom. So this again is 1 over 1. The lowest common multiple between 1 and x is going to be x. Again, same as before. So x divided by 1 is x, so we're going to have 1 times x. And x divided by x is 1, so it's going to have 1 times 1, which is 1. So we're just going to get x plus 1 all over x. And now we can rewrite our fraction. So we have x squared minus 1 over x all over x plus 1 over x. So what that actually is x squared minus 1 over x divided by x plus 1 over x, like so. And when you get a division involving fractions, what you do is you flip the second fraction and you multiply instead. Now I'm going to do two things in one step right here. I'm going to flip the fractions and multiply, but I'm also going to factorize the top of the left fraction. That is a difference of two squares, so we're going to have x minus 1 times x plus 1 all over x, and that's going to be multiplied by x over x plus 1, like that. And you can see what happened here. So what we can do now is this x down the bottom on the left will cancel with the x on the top on the right, and this entire bracket down here, this x plus 1, will cancel with this x plus 1 on the top left, which means that in the end we're just going to be left with x minus 1 as our answer. And that is that.